great experience. It's been a wonderful experience. I wouldn't choose any other school over Northeastern, so I'm really happy with my decision. My name's Christian. I'm a PharmD student, and my anticipated year of graduation is 2025.
In terms of the program setup, there is a mix between the didactic portions of the curriculum as well as real-world clinical experiences through our co-ops and APPE experiences.
The exclusivity of the program and also the benefit in having that hands-on experience has been foundational.
I actually came into Northeastern in the Explore program, which is a program for undecided students.
I used my APPE experiences to figure out things and tried things that I hadn't tried before, just to see if I didn't have interest, if I did have interest. Because on co-op, I was able to find out what I did enjoy, and APPEs were an opportunity for me to explore any untested waters, any new things before I had to settle down and kind of decide what path I would take.
The APPE programs, they expand all across the country. There are also international APPEs as well. So if a student wanted to kind of go to another location, that is totally within the realm of Northeastern's APPE program.
I think that APPEs are a great way to kind of tie up the knowledge in the things that you weren't able to learn during your classes.
In particular, I really enjoy working with our faculty and staff at the pharmacy school.
Northeastern does a fantastic job at offering scholarships and providing lots of opportunities for students to get involved in research initially, but also to keep them involved in research.
They've been supportive in terms of any kind of ideas or ambitions that we have as students, and going to them has been a great help in terms of narrowing my interests.
Starting off in the Explore program, they make you feel very understood. There's a ton of students that come into the Explore program not really knowing what career they want to pursue. I actually took a class my freshman year that showed me all of my options, and we had a lot of people from different careers come in and explain what they did.
The pharmacy program was challenging at times, but also kind of pushed me to be the best version of myself. It forced me to apply myself and put me in kind of areas that were outside of my comfort zone. And I think I attribute a lot of my growth to these kind of situations of the pharmacy programs.
The biggest reason why a lot of people choose Northeastern is co-ops. And I think Northeastern being the only PharmD program in the nation that has co-ops is a fantastic selling point and could turn the tables on any decision and should make you choose Northeastern.